Hey yo, what's up guys? It is me Zane, back here with another video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to buy products off of Taobao, how to use shopping agents, answering your questions about how to buy reps off Taobao and SUGARGOO and all that kind of stuff. Basically, I'm going to be giving you guys a one-on-one lesson about how to buy reps on the internet. I'm going to walk you through on how to search for reps, how to purchase them, and teach you guys how to do this properly. The only thing that you guys are going to be needing to follow today's tutorial is Google Chrome, a Taobao account, and a wegobuy account. Now, I am not sponsored by Taobao or wegobuy in any way. I wish I was though. So if Taobao, if you're watching this, hit me up, okay? Also, before I start this video, I just want to say I do not condone the act of purchasing reps. This is for educational purposes only. And I want to make that clear to YouTube specifically, not even the viewers, it's to YouTube right now. This is for educational purposes only. This is to educate people on Taobao. Anyways guys, let's just get on right into the video. I'm going to be answering your guys' questions that you have asked me at the end. And I guess to start off the video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to navigate on Taobao. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head on over to your computer, open up Google Chrome. The reason why you need Google Chrome is because Google Chrome is the only web browser that allows you to navigate websites and auto translates them for you. So you're just going to want to go to taobao.com, and then as you can see, Google Chrome already knows to translate everything into English. You're gonna want to hit that X, and then what you're gonna want to do is make a Taobao account. The only way that you guys can actually navigate the site and look at products is if you log in and make an account. So I've already made an account. I'm just gonna go log in right now. Once you've logged in, you're now going to want to start navigating for your item. But unlike Amazon and other online web stores, you can't just put in terms like Supreme and Bape and magically stuff will pop up. Personally, how I search for items on Taobao is I use the reverse image search method, and I'll be teaching you guys how to do that today. What you're going to want to do is head on over to Google, and you're just going to want to look up a picture of the item that you would like to purchase. So just for an example, I guess I'll look up I don't know, I guess I'll look up an anti-social social club hoodie. Now you're just gonna want to go to images, find an image, make sure it's a JPG, not like a web page format, because Taobao doesn't accept those types of formats. You're just going to want to right click, save it, and you're just going to want to drag it to where that little camera button is in the search bar. It's going to upload it. It'll take a second, literally. Then Taobao will find a bunch of products that match the image that you uploaded. And that's one method on how you can search for items on Taobao. The other method, which I think is probably the most common one, is people go onto subreddits such as r/fashionreps, or going onto sites like reparchives.com, where people actually post links to products that people might want. So that's really it. And one tip guys, for when you are ordering your reps, always order them maybe 2 sizes larger or 1 size larger. There have been tons of times where I've tried to order something in a medium or a small, and they were extremely small. So please just order your stuff from Taobao maybe 2 sizes bigger. Also, the currency that Taobao uses is yuan, not yen, it's yuan. So keep in mind when you're looking up your prices and trying to match them, look up yuan. That is Y-U-A-N. Now, for some reason, I'm not sure why, but 90% of people who use Taobao use a shopping agent, including myself. Essentially what a shopping agent is it orders the product for you from Taobao, ships it to a warehouse, and then from that warehouse, it'll ship directly to your house. What's great about shipping all your products to a warehouse is that everything will arrive together. What I like to do is once I find a product that I like to add it to my shopping cart, or just an item that I might be interested in. So as you can see, I have a total of like 93 items in my cart. Once you've found your items and you've added them to your cart, you're not actually going to proceed to checkout. What you're going to want to do is head on over to a shopping agent. This can either be wegobuy, it can be SUGARGOO. I used to use SUGARGOO a lot, and then they stopped accepting PayPal, so I switched over to wegobuy. Personally, my experience has not been the best. I've already tried ordering 2, I guess, hauls from them, and the process has been 5 times slower. So you're just going to want to head on over to wegobuy.com, and you're just going to want to log in or make an account. Now that you're on the wegobuy site, you're just going to want to click on where it says shopping agent, which is right next to the wegobuy logo. You're just going to want to click on that. You're going to want to press confirm and then next, and then do I agree and continue. Now once you're here, you're going to want to copy all the links that you've found to products that you'd like, and you're going to want to paste them in here. Just for example, I'm going to take this Takashi Murakami pillow. So what you're going to want to do is double click, obviously, and copy the Taobao link of your product. Go back to wegobuy on the shopping agent page, and paste it into this little bar right here and press buy for me. And as you can see, this page kind of looks like the Taobao page, but much more cleaner. And what you're going to want to do is select the product that you want, select the sizing, and you're just going to want to press add to cart. I already have a bunch of things in my cart, so I'm not going to actually go check out now. I just wanted to inform you guys as well. I'm just kind of doing an extremely brief overview on how to buy stuff off of Taobao. If you guys would actually like an in-depth tutorial, or just I guess the process of me buying something off of wegobuy/Taobao, let me know, because I'm not actually prepared to lose everything in my cart. Once you go to the payment page, you will literally lose your whole cart. So I'm not ready to do that yet, but when I am, I could make a video. So let me know down below if you'd like to see the full process on how this works. So anyways, you just kind of add it to your cart, and then once you've added it to your cart, you're just going to want to check them out. Then wegobuy is actually going to make you pay for a fee. The first payment that they require from you is the actual price of all your products and some extra shipping to the warehouse. It really just depends on the product, but most of the time it's free, so you don't need to worry. And after you do that, all these products will be shipped to the warehouse. Once all your products come in, they're going to be asking you for a second payment. This payment is the actual shipping to your house. The price really varies from like 40 bucks to maybe 60 bucks. It really depends how much your full package weighs, because they're putting everything inside. I guess that's really all I gotta say about wegobuy. Again, if you guys would like a full in-depth tutorial on how I actually purchase something and like the full process of me buying it, adding it to my cart, all that crap, putting in the shipping information, let me know down below and I will make that video for you. I'm just not prepared at this moment to purchase something. I hope you guys understand, but yeah, let me know if you'd like to see that. I guess that's gonna wrap it up for the actual guide part. I'm now gonna head on over to my channel, check out the comments, and answer all the questions that you guys have been asking me about Taobao and how to use it. So the first question comes in from Jolie. She asks, have you gotten scammed before by a seller? I actually just experienced this only once. I don't think I've ever gotten a poor product from Taobao. Taobao is literally always on top of their game, except for one time, and this actually just happened a couple days ago. I was trying to get a bunch of stuff for my mom and my brother from Taobao because they were interested, and I tried getting this Gucci Mickey Mouse hoodie, and then when it came in through quality control, this is what they sent me. Boy. I asked for a refund and it was apparently too late, so I'm getting it. And I already have a person who actually wants to buy it from me. Don't worry about getting scammed. This is a rare occurrence. I got it from a really bad seller. Don't worry. And in the occasion that you do get scammed, which is like a 10% chance, wegobuy is normally really good with that type of stuff. They will literally be there for you. They're really good with that. Her other question was, has delivery taken a ridiculous amount of time to come in? Yes. Actually, my last Taobao package order, it took something like, I think, a full month for everything to come in, which isn't that crazy because that's normally how long stuff takes to come from China. But Taobao is kind of different because you're paying for like a premium shipping. It was also during Christmas time and holiday season, so I could understand the delays. Oh yeah, there was actually this one other time where I think I ordered something back in May 2020. It was just 2 items. It was 2 pairs of shorts, and I think the smaller the package is, the more it'll take to come in because it's not really a priority to them. So this package took from May to August to come in. Kind of crazy. It was really the end of May, but you know. Nico asks, is Taobao safe to use? In my opinion, I actually think that Taobao is definitely more safe than something like AliExpress. They take really great care of you there. The interface is pretty cool. I personally think it's safe to use. Now I'm going to be answering some questions that you guys asked me on the Taobao videos, so let's go. Okay, so Kaden asked, how long did it take to come? For this package, again, it took a month to come in. This took a month, and it was due to Chinese New Year. Yes, Sirski asks, anyone know a good place to buy a Takashi Murakami pillow? I'm from the UK, but can be anywhere. Yes, I know an amazing place. I'm probably going to link it in the description down below. I won't paste the direct link, but I will post a spreadsheet with a link in there just because YouTube has some rules. It's an amazing replica. It's really great. Joa asks, can you show us how to make money to buy at the Taobao market? That's kind of a whole different story. That's like looking up on YouTube how to make money. Well, my main source of income is from doing video commissions and YouTube videos, so that's how I make my money. 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑺𝑪𝑹𝑰𝩙𝑬 asks, how do you navigate around Taobao? Is there a way to change the language on it? Yes, I just told y'all. I literally just explained it in this video. Go onto a computer, get Chrome, and navigate on Taobao through there. That is the only way you guys will be able to navigate, considering you have a large interface there, and Taobao is built for a desktop interface. And the main reason why you should be using Chrome and a desktop computer or a laptop is because it will auto translate everything for you. SoFi asks, so I'm trying to buy this hat, it's like $8 or something, but like how much do you think shipping will be? Well, if you're just trying to get one thing, I think it might cost like 10 or 20 bucks. That's why I really think you guys should get a bunch of stuff while you're at it, because it'll compensate for the large amount of shipping. And it also depends on which shipping service you use. wegobuy and SuperBuy, they give you options of which shipping service you can use, like EMS, China Post, and their prices vary. Draydon asks, do you use SuperBuy? I used to use SuperBuy, but ever since they stopped supporting PayPal as a payment option, I have since stopped, and I now use wegobuy. Cave Dawn asks, are the Grinch tees fake on the website, and how do you buy the stuff if it's in Japanese? I don't like to call them fakes, but I guess they are. They're replicas. The Grinch tees are replicas, and as I said, I use Chrome and it auto translates everything for you. Elijah Brooks asks, does the Golf Wang Grinch shirt fit true to size? Yes, it actually does. It fits really well. It's a really great quality too, just to let you know. I got a small, and it fits like a largish small. Okay guys, so unfortunately my camera ran out of memory card storage, so I'm just continuing using my webcam. Styro asks, yo, what type of camera is that? I use a Canon Rebel T7i. It's a great camera, I love it. Phoenix Skateboards asks, are they authentic? No, unfortunately not. Nothing from Taobao is authentic, they are all replicas. Okay, so I guess that's just gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if it was so brief and didn't really go into detail, but if you guys do want to know a lot more about the process and how to actually buy this fully so that you guys won't have any troubles while doing it, let me know. I will film when I do order my next package, and I will go through the whole process. All you gotta do to let me know if you guys want to see that is comment it down below, like it, and that'll help me out so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.
Subscribe to Zane Burko.